Kyle today with my box San Diego, and we're coming at you with an instructional video. This is my helper, my son Jack, who's 7 years old. And if your house is anything like mine, you're gonna have Nerf blasters all over the place. And so one good quick tip to take care of that problem is to build a Nerf wall. So that's what we're gonna do today. Jack, ready to get started? Hey, bye, man. What's that thing? Okay. So here's a couple things you guys are going to need to complete the grid wall here. You're going to need your drill bits, a pin. These are the brackets for the wall mounts. Ordered them on Amazon. They came from Dazzling Display Inc. Tape measure, hammer, Phillips screwdriver, a level, of course. You don't want them crooked. And I already had a whole bunch of different anchors and screws and things like that. So we'll go on this, and so the first thing you have to do is measure out your area and get started on hanging your anchors for the grid wall. So you're going to measure out the area 6 feet, and then put the brackets on 21 inches apart from one another. And what that's going to do is give you a little bit of space so you're not quite on the edge of each of the grid panels. It's a super easy process. Make sure you get your anchors in there good. Make sure you level it out with the tape measure, and so that way they're going to be nice and straight for you and even, looking like a clean looking project. Get this bottom one, and we got the first one up. I'll give you a little closer look at how this is done. Sort of kind of doing it on the fly, not gonna lie. It's the first time doing one of these things, but you know, it's sort of handy. I'm definitely not a contractor, so if you think this is contractor approved grade work, you know, you don't want to look into that yourself. That's what you're hoping to have done here, but for what we're doing and my general skill set, it should be all right. It's about level. That there. We're almost done here now. We have 2 of the 3 set up. Jack, what are you thinking so far?
It's good. We still have to hang up one of the Nerf guns.
Yeah, we got one more to do with the Nerf guns going. But overall, it's been a fun little project. One thing you're going to want to do is zip tie these together. Last thing you want is for them to fall down your kids. So I got some black zip ties here. Probably would have just bought new ones. I mean, I got these ones off the internet for free. I'll put somebody on offer up, but I think going back, I probably just got some new ones. A little bit fresher, right? Anyways, you got your snips right here. Snip it off. You're all good to go.